Hello guys, thank you for checking into my video and I am sorry for the bad English communication cause English is my not native language. Please try to understand what I am saying. Here, many of the devices out there which don't have Google Play services already installed or not supported by Google Play services. And here I am showing you some tips that can help you fixing that lacking of Google Play services in your device. First, there is an app called MicroG. I have uninstalled that one, this one, MicroG, advanced MicroG here. This is a different variant. You should install just MicroG or MicroG core services in your devices. Here I have installed this one, advanced MicroG, to show you two apps that are flavored with advanced flavored. So here Vanced is a app. Sorry, Vanced is a kind of apps that have Vanced in their extension. For example, YouTube Vanced. That means this Vanced service, MicroG service, can only run with Vanced applications like YouTube Vanced or YouTube Music Vanced. So if you installed Vanced MicroJ, you can able to only run two applications or run few applications that have extension like a full name with included with Vanced like YouTube Vanced. Here you see at the bottom, I have YouTube Vanced application. This is exactly same YouTube application. Um, have the same experience, you have the same experience and the same sign-in experience, subscriptions, everything you do in the normal YouTube applications are available in this advanced applications. And also this one flavored version don't have ads, completely ads are gone. You can enjoy videos without ads. uh, Only you can't get ads in the video, but you will get ads in other locations like below video or anywhere in the app interface, but not on the videos. So this one only runs, this advanced micro G runs for the only advanced support, advanced supported or advanced name included in the app. So you need, if you want some other applications like Google Play services or Google Photos, I have a link. So here I have just searched this one, Google Apps running with MicroG, and I found a link redirecting to Reddit. Here I am providing this link. Go and read this link. Here you see he mentioned these all the applications are supported by MicroG. So give it a try. Download MicroG uh, for other, like I have said, if I download MicroG Vanced, it only supports that applications which have Vanced in their name. So likewise, go search for MicroG core services. Like we have MicroG, sorry, Play services. Here you need to search for MicroG core services. I am also providing that link. So go for it and download MicroG core services. And the second trick is you need to this is completely different from MicroG. You need to register your device. Go here, Google device registration. Open the first link. If your phone don't have Play services inbuilt, then you need to sign in here. This one is directly signed in here. You can see on the top right my profile picture. It means I have signed in already into the Chrome, so it is signed in directly. If you don't have plus, or if you are not signed in any of your browser with Google ID, you need to sign in first. Then you need to copy the framework ID of your device. If you don't know your framework ID, just go into the Play Store and type here device ID or Google Services Framework device ID, and open the very first app, device ID. Open it, and you see here is your framework ID. Just copy that one and paste here. Paste that link. If I paste here, it will show red box because my device already have play services, so it is showing like that. If you don't have play services means you will get that normal green box. So here is the proof. I have tried it in many devices, maybe 10 different devices. I've registered here, and then after registering it, you need to go here like G apps. Go into G apps and open the very first link here, and you need to make sure what device you have. Like you have 32-bit device or ARM64 or ARM. Most devices which are old that have ARM or even older have 32-bit interface, means 86 or 32. Here my device is ARM64, and here you should make sure that what OS you have, like Android 10.9, and select that particular thing, and go for what how many or what variant you need. Like here Google provided Aroma, Super, Stock, Full. It means uh, the apps you want in to included. If you I select Stock means that basic things, means all the services. Like here I am running Stock Android comes with these services. So Stock includes these all services, and Play Store and contacts, etc., etc. If you want more play services, go upper. If you want less services, go downer. Like go down here, here you can go down. So I recommend you to Stock. So go there and click download. It will maybe a 1 GB or 1 GB. It will take 1 GB. So download all of them, uh, and here you see already started downloading. I will get all the services, and then after downloading, please place this file in SD card, not in your internal storage. Place this in SD card and take into recovery mode, and choose update choose update from SD card, and then select that zip file and flash it. If you flash, then you will get all the services you required from the Google. These are the two tricks which have worked previously and still working, and the links are available. I'm providing the links in the description. Please go and try, and read every link in the Reddit page carefully, and just try for my sake, and you may find a solution for your device.